So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of General AC in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the start, stop button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. The next button after that is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 18 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you want only cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that the next button is fan plus and fan minus. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 6 speeds. Right now the fan speed is silent. Right now the fan speed is low. Right now the fan speed is medium. Right now the fan speed is high. Right now the fan speed is super high. Right now the fan speed is in auto. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to super high. After that the next button is powerful cooling. Generally, whenever we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the powerful cooling button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the powerful cooling button. In this the room cools very quickly. After that the next button is mode. On pressing the mode button you will see the mode. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in detail in very simple words. In cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. After that the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that the next mode is fan. In fan the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. After that again press the mode button. If you press it, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own requirement. If you feel that the cooling is less or more in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling with the temperature up down button. After that the next button is vertical swing and horizontal swing. Press this button twice continuously and the vertical swing will turn on automatically. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. After that, again by pressing this button twice continuously, the horizontal swing will turn on automatically. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. By pressing the swing button twice and continuously, both the horizontal swing and vertical swing will start working simultaneously on auto. There are 2 more buttons given in the remote to use vertical swing and horizontal swing manually. You can set the swing manually as per your requirement using these buttons. After that the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have trouble sleeping due to excessive cold. To use the sleep function, it is necessary to set a timer. For example, suppose I want to use sleep for 2 hours. Now I will set 2 hours and set the sleep by pressing the set button. And the sleep function will be completely set. The next button is test run. Test run button is for technicians' use. This button is used to check errors. The next button is reset. If your remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then by pressing the reset button, your AC remote will be reset and the AC remote will start working in a completely new way. The next button is clock adjust. You can set the present time with the clock adjust button. To set the present time, you have to press the clock adjust button with the help of a pin. After that, the time will start blinking. Now set the present time with the up-down button. After the present time is set, press the clock adjust button again and the present time will be set in the remote. The next button is timer. Before using the timer, make sure that the present time is set in the remote or not. If your present time is set, then only you can use the timer. If the present time is not set in the remote, then you cannot use the timer. As soon as you press the timer button, the timer off time will be displayed. Now you can set the time of timer off using the up-down button. In timer off, you can automatically turn off your AC according to the time. For example, suppose I want to automatically turn off my AC at 5 am, then I will set the time to 5 am, and on pressing the timer button once again, the time of timer off will be set. As soon as you press the timer button, the time of timer on will be visible. Now you set the time of timer on using the up-down button. In timer on, you can automatically turn on your AC according to the time. For example, suppose I want to automatically turn on my AC at 10 pm, then I will set the time as 10 pm. And on pressing the timer button once again, the time of timer on will be set. After the timer is set, you can see the timer on and timer off time in the screen. It starts blinking and the timer is completely set. I hope you have understood the information given by me. So please like my video and subscribe my channel.